The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has just been announced, and here's all you need to know about it. Okay, so the Z Flip 2 was just a 5G iteration, maybe a bit of processing update, but overall it was just a minor upgrade on what we got with the Z Flip 1. This is the upgrade everyone was looking for. It has the revamped outdoor screen, so it's a bigger display, you can actually do stuff on it. It's about the size of the Motorola Razr, a bit smaller. It has the improved camera system, so it has the ultra wide and has the regular shooting lens. It also has an improved hinge and better dust resistance, so we'll have to test that out obviously to really gauge what it's like, but for the most part it's looking good as is. And another thing about it is just the fact that it's just overall improved. This is the phone to get if you want a foldable. If you don't want something too extreme and you're comfortable using your regular smartphones at the moment, the Z Flip's a safe option. People like Austin Evans have been raving about their Z Flips, and obviously with them, they've been happy enough with it. I want to just mention the price. It's about $1,500 at the time of filming this video, and it is a very expensive phone. However, for what you're getting, it's improved quite a bit, although I will say the S21 Ultra is probably a better buy still, because of just the convenience factor. If you're going to get a folding phone, get the Fold, which I also did a video about up here or wherever YouTube wants to recommend it. And with that, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or share the video. It really helps out the channel a lot. And I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.